I have a severe migraine, and I just got a text from my mom that says, if you wake and are able, open your inner door and look in hallway. Okay, so getting up means my migraine is much worse, but I want to see what my mom's talking about. I'm just laying here, the dog, so the inner door that she's talking about is right there, because I have like a little private hallway here. So I'm gonna see what this is that she's wanting me to look at. Oh. Look, isn't that special? Look. Oh, how sweet. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday. And that's really precious. It's so nice my mom did that. Wow. Really sick to my stomach. Will you come with me to the bathroom, Ben? Okay, come off. Benny. Yeah, off. Wait, he sees it. He's not so sure. Rough. Shh, it's okay. Benny likes it. Yeah, those are balloons. It's okay, Dash. Benny thinks they're pretty cool. You gonna pick them up, Benny? Benny, watch me. Look, get it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Where are you going? Where are you going? That's it. That's it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Benny, come. Yes, good boy. Bring. Benny, hold. That's okay. Hold. Give. Good boy. That's funny. Yes. They're kind of big. Are you wanting to hold? Okay, bring. Turn around. That's it. Go on. You want to keep going. Where are you going to bring them? Where are you putting them? You're going to put them down next to your bed? Okay. That looks nice. Yeah, okay. You're so precious. You're a silly animal. Yeah, you like the balloons, huh? Say thank you, precious auntie, for giving us balloons. It's like, these are really cool. He wants to play with you. You want to play. Dash, what do you think of the balloons? Come on, bud. That's it. Easy. Benny, look, push. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Easy. What do you think of the balloons? Benny likes them. I think I'm going to throw up because they've been standing too long. Easy. Easy. Yes, they're gentle. You have to be easy with them. Dash is like, no big deal anymore. Let me out of here. I may feel like heck, but these dogs certainly brighten my life. Who brightens my life right now? My mom. She just thought I was so special. She got these balloons, and they really are making me really happy. There, he's walking right by him. I guess he's fine with them. Dash, go up your stairs. Go on. Go up your stairs. So his stairs are over here. Let's see if he does it. Yeah, good, smart dog. Dash, he's so smart. Dash is such a smart dog. Yeah. Oh, you know you're such a smart boy. Does Benny get all the credit, but you get ignored? Because you're smart too? Yes, you are. You're not thinking that at all, but I love you. Okay, you're thinking, Mommy, you have a migraine, lay down. No, you're thinking, give me food. Can I have a kiss?
Thank you. Go ahead, give you a kiss.
Thank you, Mama. That meant so much to me. I love it, and I hope that you enjoyed our little Pax response to it. So the balloons have been in here for a little bit, and he keeps looking at them whenever they move. The fan's not on, but I have a feeling when the fan is on, he's going to be a lot more interested. Do you know I'm talking about you? Is that why you're doing your face like that, silly? Oh, little eyebrows. Oh, and there he goes. This is the worst migraine I've had in recent memory, and my mom put a smile on my face. Thanks, Mom. So special.